41. What is lock aspect in Power BI? Answer. Lock aspect is basically used to lock the proportion of a visual when you try to drag through the corners to resize it. So, for example, if you create a visualization chart and turn the lock aspect on, and then try to resize it with the help of your mouse, it won't change, and it keeps proportions the same as earlier. You can find the lock aspect in the Format tab in the visualization pane, as shown in the below image. 42. How to show percentage in Power BI? Answer. To show percentage in Power BI, we can create a calculated measure, calculated column using DAX calculation and show it in the report visual depending on the requirement of the dataset being analyzed. In the above pictorial view, we have shown how to calculate profit percent by adding a new calculated column and using simple DAX calculation. You can also add a measure to show the percent, depending on the analysis requirement. 43. What are the major building blocks for Power BI? Explain in detail. Answer. The first step in using Power BI is installing a Power BI desktop to load and transform datasets, make the data model, and establish the relationship between the various tables to connect them for analysis. Create the visuals and reports and publishing them to the Power BI service. Power BI service is a web-based server to publish and share reports with people. Below mentioned are the main building blocks of Power BI. Datasets. A dataset is a collection of data that needs to be analyzed and used to make visualizations and create reports and dashboards for sharing with the client's management. Power BI can use various kinds of data source files like Excel sheets, CSV, XML, and connect to various database servers like Oracle or SQL Server tables. Visualizations. Visualization is nothing but a visual representation of your data. Visualizations pane has various charts and graphs options like a donut chart, line graph, pie chart, side-by-side bar charts, and scatter plots to present your data. Geographical maps can be used to represent geomaps. Below is an image showing the visualizations pane on the Power BI desktop. Reports. A report is made using a collection of visualizations, like charts, etc., that are put across one or more pages. For example, includes sales by region, state, city report, sales, regional manager performance report, profit by category, segment report, etc. Dashboards. The dashboard is made using multiple visualizations on a single page. We can integrate one or more specific visualizations into the one-page layer. A sales dashboard can have pie charts, bar charts, geographical maps, donut charts, etc. Tiles. In tiles, we use a single visualization in a single report or on a dashboard. For example, bar chart in dashboard or report. 44. What is DAX? Answer. Data Analysis Expressions, DAX, is a scripting language that is used to create calculated columns, measurements, and custom tables in Microsoft Power BI. It is a set of functions, operators, and constants that may be used to compute and return one or more values using a formula or expression. You may utilize DAX to handle a variety of computations and data analysis challenges, allowing you to generate new data from existing data in your model. 45. What are the purpose and benefits of using the DAX function? Answer. If you're considering studying DAX, you'll want to be sure it's a good investment of your time. The DAX has a number of advantages. In reality, almost every DAX user will tell you that understanding DAX has improved the efficiency and effectiveness of their data analysis. The creators cite the advantages described in the paragraphs below. 46. What is Power Pivot? Answer. Power Pivot is an in-memory data modeling component that allows for highly compressed data storage as well as lightning-fast aggregation and calculations. It's also included in Excel and may be used to construct a data model in a spreadsheet. Power Pivot may load data into Power Query or load data into Power Pivot by itself. It's a lot like the SSAS, SQL Server Analysis Services, tabular format, which is similar to Power Pivot's server version. Power View is an interactive visualization application that allows users to rapidly and simply build a data visualization in their Excel spreadsheets using a drag-and-drop interface, using the Power Pivot data model. 47. What is a Power Query? Answer. Power Query is a self-service ETL, extract, transform, load, program that operates as an Excel add-in. It lets users extract data from a variety of sources, alter the data to fit their needs, and then import it into Excel. The functions are exactly the same regardless of how you got there. The main characteristic of Power Query is that all data import and transformation activities are saved as queries, a series of steps in the proprietary Power Query programming language, which is abbreviated as M. Steps can be changed and repeated as many times as needed. Update query. Among all the add-ons discussed in this article, this is the most beneficial for a wide spectrum of people. There are a number of jobs that you used to have to either perform horribly with formulae or create macros for, but now you can do them simply and attractively using Power Query. Furthermore, the findings are automatically updated after that. Power Query is clearly out of the competition in terms of price quality, and is an essential must-have for any expert Excel user these days. 48. What is the difference between Power BI and Tableau? Answer. It's simple to use Power BI. When the amount of data is reduced, it is speedier and performs better. When working with large amounts of data, Power BI has a tendency to lag. Tableau is capable of fast processing enormous amounts of data. It's speedier, and it has a lot of options for displaying data. Tableau doesn't limit the number of data points in visualization or impose row or size restrictions, allowing you to see your data from any angle. Power BI has an easy-to-use user interface and can be readily connected with other Microsoft applications. The Power BI interface is simple to learn and use. It is simple to use and helps you to work more efficiently. The report view, the data view, and the model view are the three views available on the left side of the canvas in Power BI Desktop. Tableau features an intuitive user interface that allows you to design and configure dashboards to meet your specific needs. It features a welcoming workplace that invites you to explore data and come up with clever solutions. There are several cards and shelves, a toolbar, a sidebar, a data source page, a status bar, and sheet tabs in the workspace area. In comparison to Tableau, Power BI supports a variety of data sources but has limited access to other database systems and servers. Microsoft Excel, text, CSV, folders, MS SQL Server, Access DB, Oracle Database, IBM DB2, MySQL Database, PostgreSQL Database, and more are examples. Tableau software can connect to a variety of data sources and servers, including Excel, text files, PDFs, JSON, statistical files, Amazon Redshift, Cloudera Hadoop, Google Analytics, Dropbox, Google Sheets, and Google Drive, among others. 49. What are content packs in Power BI? Answer. Content packs are another way of sharing Power BI content with other users. And this Power BI content will include dataset, reports, and dashboards. Through content packs, we can easily control access to your reports when creating a particular content pack. You have the option to keep it available for the whole organization or to a specific group of people. And as for everything in Power BI, you need your account to sign in to access it. One important thing to note here is that this is a Power BI Pro feature, meaning you need a Pro license to create, share and consume content packs. They are created in the Power BI service and can be consumed in the same environment. We cannot use content packs on the desktop. When you are creating a content pack, you have the option of what to include in the pack, meaning it allows you to select the particular dashboard and all its related reports and datasets together in one content pack. One more thing to note here is that if we get access to a content pack, it is read-only access, so we will not be able to alter any original content. If we want to work on the same dataset, it gives us the option to create a copy and build our own analysis around the same. 50. How to use Power BI in Excel. Answer. There is an Analyze in Excel option for every report in the Power BI service to use Power BI in Excel. To use it, you will need to enable editing and enable content for the report for the first time. So, what this option provides us is that it gives us the underlying dataset of our Power BI report. It comes as a data connection in Excel. And we get to play with the data in Excel. It is up to us to analyze the same data through pivot tables, charts, etc. By default, when the data is extracted in Excel for any report, it gives a pivot table by default. Thanks for watching Salesforcestart.